Hi, welcome to our channel. We're gonna do today some summer sausage soup, and it's called Sopa de salchichon. So check for the description box below so you can get all the ingredients. We'll see the ingredients in a little bit, so stay tuned. So the main ingredients for this soup is summer sausage. You could buy it at Walmart, HEB, your local marketplace. I don't know, Target. I don't know. So just remember, sausage is going to bring out the flavor in this soup. This is your main ingredient, okay? So here we have our ingredients. We have some cilantro. I have a quarter link of summer sausage. Half a cup of red pepper, onions, and green peppers. A whole potato cubed, and around 10 olives halves. We have 4 cups of water. We have a dash of pepper, a dash of Italian seasoning, salt to taste, and pepper. We have around 2 tablespoons of chicken bouillon, half a teaspoon of adobo GOYA. Okay? So I'm going to start preparing this stuff in the saucepan in a couple of minutes. So I put a dash of vegetable oil just to saute the sausage. I'm going to try to sweat the juices out of this. This smells so delicious. After sauteing the sausage for about 2 to 3 minutes, we're going to start putting in our other ingredients. We're going to start with our olives and our potatoes, our chopped onion, red pepper, and green pepper, our cilantro, get a nice mix. Dash of garlic. Pepper. Adobo. Italian season. A little bit of salt. This is your chicken bouillon. I almost forgot. Sofrito. Us Puerto Rican, we never leave the kitchen without some sofrito. I would say there's like a tablespoon, 2 tablespoons of sofrito. Remember to put the warm liquids. Never put cold liquids in to a hot pan. I'm gonna pour about 6 cups of hot water, and we're gonna let this boil for about 30 minutes. I like using spaghetti because it's thicker than your normal fideos. So what I do is I just cut it, place it in there, and let it boil. Tell me if you like this video or this recipe. Leave me your comments below and I will follow up on them. Thank you.